The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Austin, Texas, weighing 275 pounds, the American Dream, Dusty Rhodes. His opponent, accompanied by the manager, Bobby the Brain Heenan. From Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing 234 pounds, Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
And the match is underway in this one fall to a finish contest. Yes, sir. He's one of a kind. Mr. Rhodes is from the Lone Star State and the son of a plumber.
Am I glad he's only one of a kind? It's bad enough with just one of them.
A quick hit toss.
A quick punch to the gut. Watch out! He reversed it!
He's really pouring it on. Oh! Oh, my. That one knocked him goopier than a pet coon. Dusty's on a big-time roll. A big shot again to the brisket basket. Those chops are about as physical as any move in the WWE.
He's wearing down the midsection. What is this, a hockey match?
He's not going to get caught with that one.
Here he comes. See, that's what I'm talking about. Rick's too good.
Dusty's your everyday man. He is the people. And these fans love him.
It's like I say, JR. Idiots respect other idiots. There's nothing likable about Dusty. He's just common.
Unlike you, Your Highness. There's the whip. Some might like the guy like they like their mother. But I'd be lying if I didn't say Flair was just awesome.
That's strange. I think your mother-in-law's a sweet lady, Ross. We agree on several points about you.
Why doesn't that surprise you? Tell you what makes this so tense is just what's riding on this match.
You have to be cautious in this type of contest, but you can't be overly cautious.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now you know why he may get the 3 count here.
2! Was that 3? No? Come on! Rhodes is done! He's out!
I wouldn't be so sure about that, King. Stiff shot with the elbow. And right now this resembles more of a bar fight than a wrestling match. Ric Flair says if you want to be the man, you gotta... He's trying for a pin here.
2! Oh, man! That was almost 3, JR!
I don't think this match will continue much longer, King. I don't think there's too much left in the tank here.
Oh, no! The American Dream reversed it!
Pushing him into the rope. happen. Oh, my. Another big elbow. Hammerlock ball.
Yes, yes! Rick reversed it! Oh, no! I thought the dream was beat!
Can he capitalize?
And Flair's been busted open! The blood's flowing!
Elbow connects again.
And he strikes with the elbow!
Excellent counter. What ring presence?
Oh, did you see that knee?
There's the elbow. And the knuckles connect. And he's dazed.
No, no! Dusty, don't do it! Oh, thank God! Rick countered it!
And another fist.
The intensity of these superstars is unbelievable.
And there's another one. Toe hold.
Oh, what a shot! He's got him up! Oh, the elbow connects!
We could be looking at a pinfall here, folks. There's the kick out. I thought that was it for sure.
Here we go! Irish whip!
He's a 3 count away from a pinfall. 2. That was so close to 3, he could taste it.
Oh, and a big atomic drop. Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt.
A shot to the gut. And the fist connects again. Now to the arm ring. Bam! And the closed fist lands again. And an arm wrench. The punch connects. And he's shaken.
There he goes, out of the ring.
Now the chair comes into play. Another one.
What a punch!
Dear Lord, what a suplex.
Here's the pin. Could
One.
this be it?
2,
2.
3.
Flair wins! Flair wins!
Here is your winner, Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
You don't have to like it, but that pinfall left no question who won this match.
That's for sure, JR. If your shoulders are down for the 3 count.
Today.